Webround has a built-in component that enables newsletter subscription to all users, but this kind of feature will only work on drafts that have created a store in Webround Commerce. This draft is not yet a Webround Commerce store, but I'll show you how to integrate a newsletter form anyway. Drag and drop the component in your canvas. Since we're displaying it in a dark container and the default text properties are black, the component is not very visible. We'll edit it accordingly. We can't edit the title content from the text menu, but we'll do this from a different menu that I'll show in a couple steps. First of all, let's add the bottom border to the input area for the email. Later, we add some top margin to the buttons so that we can have a more clear spacing. Let's also reuse the same style of a previously created button. Since the newsletter form component is hard-coded for this design, not all changes will be possible, but we can now proceed to remove the title. At the moment, you can't remove its component with a toggle. This means we need to change its translation. Remember, if you don't find the editable text in the context menu of a component, it will be placed inside the text configurations menu, accessible from the top left menu through the Webround icon. This menu allows you to control all the hard-coded text configurations for your website, as well as adding new languages. Use the search text input to find the text entry in the localized configuration. Scroll to the highlighted text and overwrite it with an empty string. Don't forget to click the blue button to apply the new configuration. Let's finish the configuration by updating the layout on all devices.